Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. Today I will be sharing with you how vegan and traditional kimchi have the same microbes. Brown University researchers have found that vegan kimchi has the same microbes as traditional kimchi, suggesting that those buying vegan kimchi are still able to reap the probiotic benefits. Kimchi, a staple Korean side dish, is made from fermented vegetables. The basic process for making it involves combining a vegetable, typically napa cabbage, or Korean radishes, though other vegetables are also used, with scallions, Korean chili powder, ginger, garlic, salt, and a fermented fish sauce that plays a role in growing gut-healthy bacteria. This fish sauce is what takes it off the menu for people who don't eat fish, including vegans. But in order to appeal to vegan consumers, some producers have begun making a vegan alternative to traditional kimchi. Quote, in vegan kimchi, producers swap in things like miso, which is a fermented soybean paste, in place of the seafood components, end quote, explained Michelle Zabat, an undergraduate at Brown University and lead author of the study. Quote, we wanted to know what the effects of making that swap might be in terms of the microbial community that's produced during fermentation, end quote. The study shows that the vegan and traditional kimchi ingredients had very different microbial communities to start, but over the course of fermentation, the communities quickly became more similar. By the time the fermentation was complete, the two communities were nearly identical. Lactobacillus and Leuconostoc, genuses well known to thrive in fermented cabbage, dominated both. Those bacteria were present only in small amounts in the starting ingredients for both products. The researchers found, yet, were the only bacteria to survive the fermentation environment. Researchers also learned that the dominant microbial community of both kimchi samples closely matched the community found in samples taken from the production facility. Given that the study analyzed only one brand of kimchi, it is not clear whether the bacteria found in the production facility came from the kimchi or the other way around. Researchers acknowledged that it is possible that the facility provided a starter culture that influenced the end product. The findings show that it is indeed possible to make a vegan kimchi that's remarkably similar in terms of microbes to kimchi that's made with more traditional ingredients. The jury is still out on whether consuming probiotics actually makes meaningful changes to the gut microbiome or has any overall health benefits, the researchers say. But in the extent that consumers want products with probiotics and producers want to cater to dietary restrictions, vegan kimchi appears to fill the bill. Regardless, with the rise of popularity of plant-based eating, consumers have more choice than ever before when it comes to vegan probiotic-rich food. Last year, a survey conducted by Packaged Facts revealed that more than a quarter of millennials are interested in gut-healthy food. Fish-free kimchi, as well as kombucha, plant-based yogurt, and vegan kefir are all examples of vegan fermented foods whose retail presence has grown in recent years. The links to the articles are posted in the description below. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.